If you want to see my review for the Jetsons complete series set, I have that up right now, but I'm going to be talking about the Warner Archive complete first season, or the complete original series of the Jetsons, as they talk about it, as it's listed here. Now, the reason why it's called that is because technically the other seasons are a continuation of the show, but basically when this show came out, it came out in the 60s. Hanna-Barbera was very known from kind of like, okay, we have that one hit show. So they had the Flintstones. What can we do a similar thing and just do that? It's kind of, they had several like Scooby-Doo kind of rip-off shows and things like that, which is funny because the rip-offs are not usually made by the company who made them in the first place, except in this case they are, which is really strange. And some of those are actually fond, remembered good shows like Josie and the Pussycats, things like that, even though they were made to be rip-offs of Scooby-Doo, and the Jetsons is one of those. But the Jetsons only ran for 26 episodes on Saturday mornings in the late 60s, and it ended. Now, and this show was very popular, but they ran the same 26 episodes for 2 decades straight on cable television. Could you imagine every Saturday morning getting up to watch the same 26 episodes for 2 decades? I mean, granted, nobody watched cartoons for 2 decades straight like that, but you know what I mean? Like, just the same constant repeat cycle of episodes. You know, more episodes would be nice. So they did bring it back in the 80s, and they gave it more seasons, and then they eventually made a movie in the 90s, and they had a crossover with the Flintstones, stuff like that. But in terms of what happened with the show, that's just what happened. So this set is from Warner Archive. So what that means is if you want to buy this set, unlike a set like this, you cannot walk into Walmart, Target, or Best Buy and buy it. Because you can do that with this set, but you cannot do that with this set. The best place you would find this is the Warner Brothers shop, Amazon, and places like that. Online shopping retailers, basically. These are discs that are manufactured on demand. These are high quality transfers of movies and shows that Warner Brothers basically says, alright, there is a demand for this to be out there, but we are not going to put this out in the numbers that it would take to put this in stores like Walmart and places like that, because we would not see the returns. And so if enough people support this release, then we'll get more and things like that. But yeah, so that's kind of the idea, is that if you want more, you support it, you put this out there. So this was, this is a $25 season set of 26 episodes, which I think for a 26 episode season is fair. And the Blu-ray transfers are high quality, and incredibly high quality. They are clear as day, they're beautiful. Comparing them to this set, which has a lot of the same episodes, and more episodes, because this is a complete series set. These episodes look gorgeous. They basically, through cable broadcasting, transfers to DVDs, the original animation cells became desaturated. They don't look the color that they're supposed to be. Well, they remastered them, put them on this Blu-ray set, and now they look the way that they're finally supposed to look on an HD Blu-ray set. And the discs are giving the right amount of room, and each disc has about eight or so episodes a disc, compared to the 10 or more that they put on some of these discs. There's disc 1 through 3. They are excellently put and packaged on the set here. And again, all of them look gorgeous. This set is beautiful. The artwork on the front is very good, and you can see kind of the difference here of what they're kind of supposed to look like. This is how bright it actually looks when you watch it on Blu-ray. Now, when you look at it on DVD, it kind of looks a little bit different, a little bit more desaturated. Well, this is the actual color of it, and then this is kind of it. This is the version of where it looks kind of desaturated. But they cleaned up these episodes. They really made them sparkle and shine. And sure, it's a bit much for some people to go, well, just one season for $25 or a complete series for $25. I could see that. But, however, if these are the type of releases that you have to support them to get more, because they don't see that there's a market for it. And so if you want this, if you want more Blu-rays at more affordable prices, you should pay for it. And, you know, I understand the option, but the other factor is this is incredibly high quality. This is beautiful. This is low quality for a pretty affordable price, sure. But quality or affordable price? Which one would you want here? Okay, sure, you can go to McDonald's and get a Big Mac. Or you can go to a high quality burger restaurant. And some people will say, I just want my convenient burger. And that's fine. You know, sometimes I just want a convenient burger too, but there are other times I want the high quality thing more. And that's what we're dealing with here. And I think both of these sets have their merits, but I think this is the clear winner in comparison to quality. This is the winner when it comes to convenience and having everything in one set. I believe that is an important detail, but I think putting them together is a nice feature to have.